For businesses that directly involve clients in their projects, integrating Basecamp with a CRM system can be incredibly beneficial. These integrations can help you bridge the gap between your sales and project management teams, ensuring a smooth handover of information and a unified view of client interactions. For instance, when a new deal closes in your CRM, an integration could automatically create a corresponding project in Basecamp, pre-populated with relevant client information and initial project details. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures that the project team has all the necessary context from the sales process. Furthermore, some CRM integrations allow you to share project updates and progress directly with clients through a client portal within Basecamp, fostering transparency and collaboration. Other useful integrations, expanding functionality even further. Beyond the core categories mentioned above, a variety of other integrations can further enhance your Basecamp experience. These include invoicing and billing software. Integrate with tools like FreshBooks or Xero to streamline your invoicing process based on track time or project milestones in Basecamp. Form builders. Connect with tools like JotForm or Typeform to easily collect data and feedback related to your projects directly within Basecamp. Mind mapping tools. Integrate with mind mapping software to visually brainstorm and organize project ideas before breaking them down into actionable tasks in Basecamp. Choosing the right integrations for your needs. The key to successfully leveraging Basecamp integrations is to identify your team's specific needs and pain points. Don't just integrate every app under the sun. Instead, focus on the tools that will genuinely streamline your workflows, improve communication, and provide valuable insights. Consider the following questions when evaluating potential integrations. What are the biggest time wasters or bottlenecks in our current project management process? Which existing tools are we already using and finding value in? How can we improve communication and collaboration within our team and with clients? What data would be most valuable for us to track and analyze to improve our project outcomes? By carefully considering these questions, you can strategically choose integrations that will truly empower your team and elevate your project management capabilities within the Basecamp ecosystem. Remember, the goal is to create a connected and efficient workflow that allows you to focus on what truly matters, delivering successful projects.